So how many times have you gone to the dealer or the oil change place and they bring out your air filter, show it to you, it's all dirty, ask you to replace it, you do, and it costs you a fortune to get that done. All right, every car is going to be a little bit different. This is a 2018 Toyota Rav4. Just going to pop those two off. Reach in there and pull it out. That's how easy it is. So, try to show it to you here. It is a little bit dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and throw a new one in. So, as you can see here, the old one there on the right, the new one here on the left, there is a big difference there. So, I'm going to change out my engine air filter. Make sure that sits down in there real nice. Flush. And there you go. Took me a minute or less to change. Okay. Now this one is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to change the air filter on this one as well. This one, the levers here are on the side. Kind of pull those wings up. Lift up. Again, air filter just pops right out. So, pretty dirty here. I'm going to go ahead and change that out. Got the new, nice, clean, bright white one. Just reversing the way I took it out. I'm going to slide this in. Pops right in like that. Make sure this sits down pretty good. Put my clamps underneath. Side. Clamp it down. Again, maybe 1 minute. Now, just in case some of you are very new to doing anything under the hood, I'm going to show you a couple little things you need to know. This is a lever here. So once you pop the hood from the lever on the inside of the car, it'll pop the hood open like this. And it's still kind of latched. You're just going to slide your hand in there, find that little lever. On the Toyota Rav4 here, it pushes to the left. I do that with my finger, and I lift up. Then to prop this up, you see me take this arm down a second ago. Most cars have this, if not all of them. It might look slightly different. I'm going to put this up. There's a little spot right up here. Make sure it fits inside, and you can work. And just reverse that process. At the end, watch your fingers. See, that didn't go, so give it a little push down. Everything's closed. All right, just about all cars they're very similar here. So if you don't know how to pop your hood, over here, this is the driver's side. You can see the pedals there. There's usually a little lever. This one has a picture of the hood up. Just grab that, pull it back, pops the hood.